Let's make a chess pie. I've never heard of it before this, but it's my roommate's favorite. 1 1/4 cups of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. 1 tablespoon flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Spill the salt. Now we have 1/2 cup of browned butter that I've already browned and cooled. 1/3 cup of whole milk. A teaspoon of vanilla. I heard another name for this pie is called vinegar pie because you add vinegar into it, white vinegar, just a tablespoon. And the reason you do this is because it gives it a little tang and some depth of flavor. Finally, 4 eggs. Make sure they're well blended. Pie crust is in the freezer. I bought it pre-made, frozen, thawed it, rolled it out, put it in the little dish, and then back in the freezer. Don't pre-bake or bake. Leave it unbaked. Bake all of this at 350 for about 50 minutes. I keep getting whiffs of vinegar and it's throwing me off that we're making a pie. A little PSA, make sure you get one of these spatulas to scrape out the bowl. Because look how much you're missing. You don't. Okay, see you soon. Forgot it was liquidy. Okay, a little flat. I think it's supposed to be in a 9-inch pan and this is like 11 or 12, so expected. Just kidding. Pretty good. You can really taste the cornmeal and the sugar. Good flavor.